Hello, Ian Agrell, Agrell Architectural Carving. Here is an Elizabethan Strapwork panel. This is 1550. And so you can see that it's very, very simple, very flat relief. This is only about, I suppose, 1/4 of an inch deep carving. Carved in a solid, so obviously not applied, which was typical of the time. And the other thing about this, I don't know whether you can see, but in this area in the top left-hand corner there, that's got a sort of stippled back there. And the idea of this is two reasons really. One of them is to absorb the light. So you can see on the right hand side it's more reflective. So by absorbing the light, by stippling the background, it throws the carving forward. You get a bit more bang for your budget there. Also, criticised because of course it means that the carver needn't necessarily get the background down to an immaculate flat finish because he's going to stipple it. So there's some dispute in that one, but definitely it helps to absorb the light. So this is Elizabethan Strapwork, obviously used in manor houses, etc. throughout England.